Imagine a world where the sky becomes a pathway to progress and transformation. In Haiti, a country often showcased for its challenges, an uplifting narrative emerges through the wings of technology, specifically drone technology. In the heart of Haiti, Haiti Flying Labs harnesses the potential of drones to not only inspire, but actively engage and transform communities. This initiative stands at the forefront of technological empowerment, working hand in hand with the youth, who are not just the future, but the present catalysts of change. The journey begins with education. Haiti Flying Labs conducts comprehensive training programs for young enthusiasts eager to become drone pilots. These programs do more than teach the technicalities of flying. They open doors to new perspectives and possibilities, empowering young Haitians with skills that are crucial in today's tech-driven world. But the impact of drones extends far beyond the training grounds. In times of emergencies, when traditional access is hindered by Haiti's challenging terrains or the aftermath of natural disasters, drones become critical. They fly where humans and vehicles cannot, delivering aid, assessing damage, and coordinating responses swiftly and efficiently. This capability is not just innovative, it's life-saving. Moreover, agriculture, a cornerstone of Haiti's economy, reaps the benefits of drone technology. Farmers utilize drones for a variety of purposes, from mapping and surveying lands to monitoring crop health and optimizing agricultural practices. This aerial advantage leads to better crop yields, enhanced food security, and a more sustainable future for local communities. Collaboration with national authorities, such as OFNAC, ensures that these technological advancements align with tailored policies that meet Haiti's unique needs. This synergy between technology and regulation crafts a conducive environment for drones to soar, quite literally, to the heights of their potential. In summary, Haiti Flying Labs is not just about drones. It's about opening up horizons, training young minds, responding to crises, and enhancing agricultural productivity. Through the lens of drone technology, Haiti is not only navigating its way towards development, but is also setting a precedent for innovation-led growth in similar regions around the world. The sky, it seems, is just the beginning.